Okay. So I'm just riding with my friends right now. I had to get this guy on camera riding 2 up right now. Look at him. God. He's such a nerd. Doing the dead arm. Look at him. Yeah, so this is the Triumph crew. Yet again, we are in Cary. Look at him. Look at this. Oh, he's showing some leg. Yeah. Wow. He's a special, special guy. Very special. He's so special we have him sitting in the back office. We don't let him out very often. Yeah, we're gonna go play pool, maybe smoke some hookah. So that's Bailey, that's Mari, this is Cary. Yeah, this is Edison. Oh, and this is Kevin. So we are the Triumph crew. Yeah, we're just hanging out tonight, having a good night. Whew, it's a little hot. Little hot. Maybe it'll be a fun night. Maybe it won't. Who knows? We are making a ruckus. Making a ruckus. I think we're trying to figure out where we're going. Oh God. A freaking street fair.
Alright guys, I'm going home.
Where are we going? Ah! Well, this is good. At least it's fun, you know? At least it's fun. Riding with friends in a small group like this is very nice. It makes sitting in traffic a little more bearable, because normally I would not be doing this. What's up, guys? Hey, hey. Hi. Oh my God. This is what I work with. I work with this guy, these two guys every day. Jeez Louise. Degenerates. Degenerates. Are we doing sidewalk stuff? We're doing sidewalk stuff. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. I guess on to the next spot. Okay. Look at this bike. Look at that thing. It's pretty freaking killer. And here's the street fair again. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Whew.